Ever wonder how to save money on your everyday purchases? Well, the secret is couponing. Imagine strolling down the aisles of your favorite store, filling your cart with everything you need, and then, when you reach the checkout counter, watching the total drop significantly. Sounds like a dream, right? But it's not. It's the power of couponing. Couponing is much more than just cutting out little pieces of paper. It's a strategy, a skill, and for many, a way of life. It's about making the most of opportunities to save and stretching your hard-earned money further. It's become so popular that it's now a part of our culture, with television shows, websites, and communities devoted to it. And the best part? Anyone can join in. It doesn't matter if you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or a retiree. Intrigued? Stick around to learn how to navigate the world of couponing. Firstly, understanding what coupons are is crucial. At their core, coupons are essentially tickets or documents that can be redeemed for a financial discount or rebate when purchasing a product. They're a marketing strategy used by manufacturers and retailers to attract new customers or to reward loyal ones. And the best part? They're a great way to save money on everyday purchases. Now, let's take a closer look at the different types of coupons. Firstly, we have online coupons. These are typically codes that you can enter at checkout when shopping online. They might offer a percentage off your total purchase, free shipping, or other discounts. Next up, we have paper coupons. These are the traditional physical coupons that you might find in newspapers, magazines, or direct mail. They can be cut out and presented at the checkout in a physical store. Then there's store coupons. These are provided by the store itself and are only valid at that specific retailer. They might be found in a store's weekly ad, on their website, or even on a receipt from a previous purchase. Lastly, we have manufacturer coupons. These are issued by the maker of a product and can usually be used at any store that carries that product. They're often found in newspapers or magazines, or can sometimes be mailed directly to customers. Each type of coupon works a little differently. Online and paper coupons are typically entered or presented at the time of purchase to reduce the total cost. Store coupons can be combined with manufacturer coupons for even greater savings. This is called stacking. For instance, if you have a store coupon for 20% off a product and a manufacturer coupon for $3 off the same item, you can use both at the same time. Now that you know what coupons are, let's dive into how you can find them. So, you might be wondering, where can I find these magical money-saving tickets? Well, the good news is, they're not as elusive as you might think. In fact, they're all around us, waiting to be discovered. The key is knowing where to look. One of the most traditional sources of coupons is your local newspaper. Yes, that's right. The good old Sunday paper still holds a treasure trove of savings. Check the inserts and the ads section. Manufacturers often place coupons there for a variety of products. Now let's talk digital. Online websites are a goldmine for coupons. Sites like coupons.com, RetailMeNot, and Groupon are just a few examples. You'd be amazed at the variety of discounts you can find with a simple internet search. These websites compile coupons from various sources, making the search much easier for you. Don't overlook store flyers either. These are often laden with store-specific coupons. Next time you're at the grocery store, grab a flyer and give it a once-over. You might find some surprising deals. And let's not forget about the power of apps. In today's digital age, there are numerous apps designed specifically for couponing. Apps like Ibotta, Checkout 51, and Honey automatically find and apply coupons for you. They're a great way to save money without the hassle of clipping paper coupons. But remember, not all that glitters is gold. Always check the validity and terms of the coupons. Some may have expiration dates or specific conditions that need to be met. It's always better to be informed than to be surprised at the checkout counter. And there you have it. Newspapers, online websites, store flyers, apps. The world of coupons is vast and varied. It might take a bit of time and effort initially, but trust me, the savings are worth it. With a little research and effort, you can find coupons almost everywhere. Got your coupons? Great! Now let's talk organization. Ever had that moment when you know you have the perfect coupon, but you just can't find it? Or worse yet, you find that perfect coupon only to realize it expired last week? That's where organization comes in. Organizing your coupons is crucial to maximizing your savings. It not only helps you keep track of what you have, but also helps you remember to use them before they expire. There are several ways to organize your coupons, and the method you choose will depend on your personal preference, how many coupons you have, and how often you coupon. Let's discuss a few popular methods. First, the coupon binder. This is a tried and true method used by many savvy shoppers. You simply get a binder, fill it with plastic sleeve pages, and sort your coupons into categories. You might sort by grocery aisle, by product type, or even by expiration date. The key here is to make it easy for you to find what you need when you're in the store. But maybe you're not a paper person. That's okay. There are plenty of digital methods for organizing coupons. You can use a coupon app, many of which will not only organize your coupons, but will also alert you when they're about to expire. Or you could use a simple spreadsheet where you can easily sort and filter your coupons. Regardless of the method you choose, remember to regularly go through your coupons. This will help you stay familiar with what you have, and it will allow you to remove any expired coupons. And one more tip, always have your coupons with you. You never know when you might make an unplanned stop at the store. If your coupons are always in your purse or in your phone, you'll be ready to save at a moment's notice. In summary, being organized with your coupons can make a world of difference. It can be the difference between frustration and savings, between wasted time and efficient shopping. A well-organized coupon system makes the process smoother and more efficient. So, get organized and start saving today. Now that you have your coupons organized, it's time to learn how to maximize your savings. Remember, couponing isn't just about clipping and using them. It's a strategy game, and the aim is to make your money stretch as far as possible. Let's start with one of the most effective strategies, combining coupons with sales. This is where the real magic happens. Imagine you have a coupon that gives you $1 off a box of cereal. Now, if you use this coupon when the cereal is full price, you'll save $1. But if you wait until that cereal goes on sale, say for $2 off, you'll save $3 in total. That's the price of the cereal minus your coupon and the sale discount. It's like getting a double discount. Next, understanding store policies is absolutely critical. Some stores double the value of certain coupons or accept competitors' coupons. Others might have special days where they offer additional discounts. Make sure you're familiar with these policies. If you're not sure, don't hesitate to ask. Store policies can significantly boost your savings if you know how to use them to your advantage. Lastly, plan your shopping around your coupons. This might mean buying in bulk when you have coupons for items you frequently use, or it could mean waiting to buy certain items until you have a relevant coupon. This approach requires a bit of patience and flexibility, but it can lead to substantial savings over time. Remember, the goal is not to spend less, but to get more for the money you're already spending. By strategizing, you can multiply your savings and get more bang for your buck. Remember, every penny counts, and with a bit of planning and strategy, you can make your coupons work harder for you. So get out there and start maximizing your savings one coupon at a time. So, we've covered a lot today. Let's quickly recap. We started our journey by introducing the concept of couponing, a smart and savvy way to save money. We dived into understanding coupons, learning the ins and outs of their usage, and the incredible benefits they bring to our wallets. Next, we explored the various avenues where you can find these golden tickets. From newspapers to digital platforms, the opportunities are endless. We also discussed organizing your coupons, emphasizing the importance of developing a system that works for you, ensuring your couponing efforts are efficient and effective. Then, we delved into maximizing your savings. Remember, it's not just about collecting coupons, but using them strategically to get the best bang for your buck. And there you have it, the wonderful world of couponing in a nutshell. Remember, every little saving adds up, and with couponing, those dimes and quarters can quickly turn into hundreds of dollars. Happy couponing, happy